Welcome to a transformative event, the Gut Reset Summit, your journey to empowered health. Are you finally ready to unlock the profound potential that is nestled within your digestive tract and set forth on a journey towards optimal health and well-being? Hi, I'm Dr. John Dempster, your host and founder of the Gut Reset Summit, your journey to empowered health. For over the past 2 decades, I have been working with individuals who have been grappling with chronic digestive conditions of all sorts, from the intricate maze of IBS and SIBO, to ulcerative colitis and Crohn's disease, to gastritis, diverticulitis, GERD, and beyond. And what's unfolding before you right now is a convergence of over 42 incredible experts from all over the world, all focusing on the realm of digestive health. Each of these experts has an incredible depth of knowledge, and they're all trailblazers in their own right. And I'm inviting you to this event that is going to allow you to finally seize the reins of your gut health once and for all. So imagine immersing yourself in the wisdom of illustrious naturopathic and medical doctors, spiritual healers, functional medicine experts, renowned nutritionists, researchers, therapists, and beyond. Together, they will help you excavate all sorts of knowledge, unearthing the depths, for example, of the microbiome dynamics, the symbiosis of the gut-brain axis, cutting-edge dietary strategies, effective lifestyle and environmental connections, and beyond, all while embracing ancient wisdom that bridges the gap between gut health and holistic well-being. This is far beyond an online summit. It's an immersive and dynamic journey. Forge connections with people all over the world, ignite discussions, pose questions, and discover your tribe amongst fellow connoisseurs of gut health. So join me as we set sail into the seas of knowledge and transformation. 7 days, 42 luminaries, and a myriad of revelations. This is your moment to rewrite the narrative of your wellness and well-being. So register now for the Gut Reset Summit and embark upon a journey to unlock your incredible potential. I can't wait to welcome you to this life-changing event. See you there.